If you've ever thought minimalist fashion is just about wearing black, white, and beige, think again. Because in 2025, minimalism is evolving, and you need to see how. First, I have to say, your comments on my previous minimalist fashion videos, absolutely incredible. You are some of the most stylish, thoughtful viewers, and I love hearing your takes on timeless fashion. So let me ask you, do you believe minimalist style is truly timeless, or is it just another fashion cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Because when I looked at old collections, I noticed something interesting. Minimalism barely changes. The cuts, the structure, the color palettes, it's almost as if the best outfits from the past could still be worn today. Now, this video is all about outfit ideas. But if you want to deep dive into the minimalist aesthetic itself, where it came from, how it's evolved, and the best fashion moments from past collections, let me know. For now, let's get into the key minimalist outfits you'll want to wear for work, gatherings, travel, and casual days off. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a fresh new perspective on minimalist fashion. The one trick that instantly elevates any outfit. This one's unexpected yet ridiculously effective. You might think belts are just for function, but they can completely transform an outfit, especially in minimalist fashion. Think about it. Without the right accessories, even the best outfit can look, well, unfinished. And that's where the statement belt comes in. Wide structured belts have made a massive comeback, and they do something most people overlook. They define your silhouette, add texture, and instantly make an outfit feel intentional. Here's something that will surprise you. What if I told you 90s minimalism never really went away? If you're someone who prefers sleek, timeless pieces over loud trends, 90s minimalism is the perfect alternative. And here's what makes it different. It's not just a fashion trend, it's a mindset. Want proof? The cardigan. And before you roll your eyes, no, I'm not talking about your grandma's knitwear. This is about choosing the right one. A neutral tone cardigan is the ultimate layering piece. You can drape it over your shoulders for a casual yet sophisticated touch. Wear it alone as a top. Or layer it with structured pieces for contrast. I have to say this. The bomber jacket is one of the most underrated minimalist pieces out there. Minimalism isn't just about sleek silhouettes and quiet luxury. It also has an edge, and nothing embodies that better than a well-structured leather bomber. Here's a secret. If you want to make your minimalist outfits look intentional, structured, and expensive, tailoring is everything. 90s minimalism wouldn't exist without structured separates. A fitted blazer, the perfect pair of trousers, and a vest that looks like it was made just for you. And the easiest way to make it work? Matching sets. If I had to pick just one bottom that represents the entire minimalist aesthetic, it's the black maxi skirt. And here's why. It's the definition of understated elegance. This skirt is sleek, structured, and completely trend-proof. The old money minimalist approach that looks expensive every time. Let's talk about a style that has quietly taken over fashion. The old money aesthetic. It's polished, timeless, and effortlessly sophisticated. And the best part, you don't need to be born into wealth to pull it off. The secret? Less is more. First, structured blazers. Nothing says expensive like well-tailored pieces. A sharp blazer instantly refines any look, whether you're pairing it with trousers, denim, or even a slip dress. Speaking of which, the silk slip skirt. It's all about texture and movement. This one piece adds an instant touch of luxury and can be styled year-round. Then there's tweed sets. Chanel made them iconic, but now you can recreate the look without the luxury price tag. A cropped tweed jacket and matching skirt, that's an instant old money outfit. Next, contrast trim pieces. Black and white details make any outfit look polished in seconds. A simple tank or tee with contrast trim gives off that high-end feel without trying too hard. And finally, the one piece you can't skip, a classic white button-up. This is the foundation of the entire aesthetic. Pair it with denim for a casual chic look, tuck it into trousers for a sleek vibe, or layer it under a blazer for instant elegance. It works every single time. The minimalist preppy chic aesthetic, the ultimate upgrade. Layers? Check. Smart, structured pieces? Check. The perfect mix of textures and colors? Double check. This look is all about timeless, well-curated pieces that bring effortless polish to any outfit. The modern schoolgirl look. Here's a fact. The school uniform aesthetic is one of the biggest inspirations behind preppy chic. A crisp, collared shirt and a pleated skirt. Classic, put together and easy to style. But the secret to making it feel modern? Layering. Throw a cozy sweater over your shoulders, add an oversized blazer, and suddenly you're serving collegiate luxury, not high school freshmen. Socks plus shoes equals the unexpected preppy hack. Now this is a styling trick that changes everything. If you want to add a scholarly touch to your look without being too obvious, here's the move. Elevate your shoe game with socks. Let the socks stand out. The polo top is a classic, but let's be honest, it has a reputation for being a little stiff. But here's the trick, keep it simple. Go for a relaxed polo paired with jeans and trendy sneakers. It instantly transforms from preppy uniform to casual cool. Any knitwear is great, but a cable knit? That's next level luxurious. For a more polished take, layer a crisp collared shirt underneath. It adds warmth, depth, and that perfect blend of cozy and sophisticated. But here's the thing. Owning the right pieces matters more than owning more pieces. Because let's be real, how many times have we bought trendy items only to realize they don't last? And before you think, oh no, another trend or aesthetic, hear me out. This isn't about buying more. It's about buying better. With the economy shifting, people are getting smarter about their wardrobes. Minimalism isn't just a style, it's a strategy. The key pieces? Dark denim because it's more versatile than distressed jeans. A structured blazer because it works for any setting. Classic blue jeans because they'll never go out of style. A power suit because confidence starts with the right outfit. Minimal knitwear because investing in quality knit pieces will always pay off. It's not about buying less, it's about buying right. And once you start thinking this way, shopping will never feel the same again. So now, let's get inspired by some of my favorite minimalist outfit ideas. These looks are proof that you don't need excess to be stylish. Just the right pieces, styled the right way, and trust me, you're going to want to try at least one of these. If there's one thing that can make or break a minimalist outfit, it's color. Choosing the right base color is crucial because it sets the tone for your entire look and should reflect your personality. Start with a foundation. Black and white are the easiest entry points into minimalist fashion. They create a clean, polished aesthetic that works in any setting. But as you refine your style, experiment with neutral tones and muted hues that flatter your skin tone, body shape, and personal energy. Accessories. Keep them intentional. Minimalism isn't about avoiding accessories altogether. It's about choosing quality over quantity. A sleek belt, a structured bag, or a delicate gold necklace can elevate an outfit without overpowering it. And here's the most important part. Don't stress about trends. The best minimalist outfits are the ones that make you feel confident and comfortable. Wear what complements your body, enhances your features, and aligns with how you feel inside. Minimalist fashion isn't about restriction. It's about refinement. Once you master that, your style will always feel timeless. Now that we've explored some of my favorite minimalist outfit ideas, let's take a step back and talk about what actually works and what doesn't when it comes to minimalist dressing. Because minimalism isn't just about wearing fewer pieces or sticking to neutrals. It's about balance, proportion, and intentionality. Now, this isn't about right or wrong, it's about understanding why certain elements create a polished minimalist look, while others might feel unbalanced or incomplete. So what works? Strong, clean silhouettes. The best minimalist outfits rely on sharp tailoring and fluid shapes to create structure and movement. A thoughtful mix of textures. Pairing matte with satin, soft with structured. These details make a minimalist outfit visually interesting without overwhelming it. Proportion matters. Wide-leg trousers with a fitted top. A voluminous coat over sleek trousers. The key to minimalism is knowing where to add volume and where to keep it streamlined. And what can be tricky? Too much simplicity without contrast. If everything in an outfit is plain, it can sometimes look unfinished rather than minimalist. Even in minimalism, small details make a difference. Ignoring fit. Minimalism relies on pieces that fit well. An oversized blazer should feel relaxed, not sloppy. A midi dress should skim the body, not overwhelm it. Missing the third piece. Sometimes an outfit needs one extra element to feel complete. A belt, a structured bag, a pair of sleek sunglasses. Minimalism doesn't mean removing personality, it's about refining it. At the end of the day, minimalism is a personal approach to dressing. You get to define what it means for you. The key is intentional styling, quality over quantity, and pieces that make you feel confident. Now that we've broken down what works and what can sometimes feel off in minimalist fashion, let's jump back into the inspiration. Now, I have to know, which one of these styles speaks to you the most? Are you drawn to the sleek minimalism of the 90s, the polished old money aesthetic, or the smart shopping approach of recession core? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear from you. And here's the question: should I make a video on minimalist clothing brands and the icons who inspire this style? Or maybe you want more outfit inspiration? If that's something you'd love to see, let me know. Oh, and before you go, if you want a wardrobe that makes you feel confident, stylish, and put together, watch this next video. Trust me, it's exactly what you need.